Okay. Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the methods to connect your Raspberry Pi remotely. Raspberry Pi can be used in many different projects, like controlling your robot, your quadrator, etc. For this, you need to firstly learn how to connect in a remote process. So the first thing first, there are two different scenarios. Suppose if you have your robot in the same Wi-Fi network as your the device in which you want to control. So that's a very easy task. Suppose like also the projects include like home automation, etc. The second category comes like if you want to control your drone, or if you want to do home automation stuff from a distant location. You need to connect your Raspberry Pi remotely. To make a connection, open your terminal window and make a SSH connection to your Raspberry Pi. It's a secure shell connection. This establishes a secure connection from your laptop to your Raspberry Pi. You can access your Pi's folders. You can also run Python. So basically, you are connected to the terminal of the Raspberry Pi. So if you, just in case you want a desktop environment, you can install a VNC client. I have actually pre-configured it for my laptop. It's making a connection now. So here we have the desktop environment of the Raspberry Pi. You can use keyboard and mouse of your laptop as Raspberry Pi's mouse and keyboard. So I can do everything as if you are sitting in a front of a Raspberry Pi with a mouse, and which are actual mouse and a keyboard dedicated for it. Now, the interesting case where both your laptop or your device in which you're trying to connect your Raspberry Pi and the Raspberry Pi are in a different Wi-Fi network, or for that matter. So you might have an educated guess, like why not do the same SSH through your terminal directly to the IP address and you can do it. So the truth is you still can do it, but it's a very tedious task. Let's say you are in a location A and your Pi is connected to a Wi-Fi network in a location B. So there are lots of stuff like you have to do like port forwarding and etc. So there's a very good alternative for this which cuts all the clutter and makes things easy. So let's have a look at it. WebIO Pi is a package given by Google to access your GPIO ports in a web browser. After installing this package, you can access your GPIO pins from a web browser. It gives the status of the your GPIO pins, as well as you can change the status of these pins. So you can access this web API by default in your local network, as well as the important thing to be noted here is you can access these WebIO pins over the internet. So a team from Wavewink did a very good job by installing a custom package, and in order to access this you have to enroll in the beta version. So the beta version is a very itself is a provides very good features like SSH. You can access the WebIO Pi interface which you just saw. Also you can access the VNC client so that you can have a remote desktop feeling. So after you have created the account, you'll be provided with the password and the link. So you just have to copy the link and paste it in your terminal. So I've just pasted it and it's currently connecting to my Raspberry Pi. So it's connected and asking for the password right now. Yeah, Now it has connected successfully, and you can access the terminal of your Pi, and these are just few comments for testing it.